Hey, are you looking to build and grow your E1ULife business, or maybe you're looking at E1ULife reviews and wondering if E1ULife is an opportunity that you should get involved with? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and I'm a top producer and I'm a top traffic provider in the online space. So, basically, I'm going to tell you what E1ULife is if you don't know what it is and how to get traffic to this offer, right? Because traffic is going to be your most important thing that you need in order to build and grow this business. Without traffic, it's not going to grow, right? So, E1ULife is a tool suite that you could use to build and grow any business. And basically, you earn commissions on the products that you own from it, right? So if you own a product from it, you'll earn commissions on it, right? So here's the packages that they have. They have all the way up to $2,500. So you pay $2,500 and you have all the products you could earn on this level, or whatever other things that you have, you could earn commissions from that. But as you can see, the less stuff you earn, the little amounts of things that you get. So you pay $275 and you only get these three things: email templates, social packs, and opt-in pages, right? So the thing about this is, it's best to have a well-known autoresponder. I wouldn't suggest using any company's autoresponder, and never send any leads to the company itself. Always make sure you have a page or a funnel that's around your opportunity, because if you send your leads directly to the company, then they get into the system and the company has your leads, so you're doing all your marketing for nothing. So you never want to send your leads to a company page. You want to always create your own list, have your leads go to your own list, so that way you can follow up with them by your own email marketing. Now, whatever a company provides you, that's all fine and dandy. You can use that stuff, but you want to customize it to you, because you have to build a know, like, and trust factor with your audience. And if you have people coming onto your email list, you want to be able to build rapport through video, through your email content, through your own personal branding. You're branding you and not a company, right? Always remember that. Brand you first. Whatever you offer is what you offer. So that's that first part. So with a high ticket like E1ULife, the best way to actually promote this is to have a quality traffic source and be able to have your own bonuses. Have your own bonuses that you can offer the people that you talk to, the people that come onto your list. You want to have your own bonuses. Your bonuses are what's going to allow people to sign up with you in this opportunity rather than sign up with somebody else. Because there's multiple people in E1ULife, and you want to have your own bonuses so that way they join you instead, right? Now, a quality traffic source that I highly recommend is the traffic that I provide. Now, what you'll realize if you start buying solo ad traffic is there's not a lot of people that will tell you to go and also do YouTube videos and also connect with people on social media with your paid traffic, right? So your paid traffic is to build your list, and you want to get traffic from a marketer, somebody who actually knows marketing, rather than just a solo ad vendor. Because if you get traffic from just a solo ad vendor, not all solo ad vendors are marketers, but some marketers sell traffic. And to be honest with you, a lot of them will just take your money and they won't help you at all. So you won't get any feedback. You won't get anything like that. Now, when you order traffic from me, I do give you feedback. So my goal is to help you to get highly targeted people to your offers that you're promoting, whether it's E1ULife or any other offer that you have. And you have to make sure that your landing page and your sales copy are congruent, and make sure that the offer that you're promoting matches your copy and your pages, right? And most importantly, you want to make sure that the traffic you're getting is high quality traffic, and you'll be able to actually get more lead sales and signups that way. If you don't know my story, 6 years ago I was $87,000 in debt. I was, stressed, depressed. I didn't know how I would get out of it. And the reason why I started to, learn how to do traffic and all about traffic is because I had to actually get myself out of my situation and start building online, because I was spending a bunch of money on paid traffic, and then I realized these people weren't helping me. These people were just out to take the money, and they weren't really out to help me build my business online. And so that's when I learned, the strategies to be able to build and grow my business. And I'm like, okay, well, if I was left alone in marketing, and I didn't know what I was doing, there's probably a lot of other people that were left alone as well. So me learning traffic allows me to actually help people just like you to build and grow your business online, right? And so the places that you'll get traffic from when you get my traffic is basically, places such as Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So when you get traffic from me, you get a mix of those different traffic sources, and I help you to get the highest conversions possible, because I want you to actually get people to your funnel, right? So I help people to manage their funnels. I also help people to get the highest conversions possible. My highest to record to date is 90% opt-in rate, which is unheard of in the industry. This says 85%, and that's just keeping it on average, right? The highest that I've had was 90% as of now, as of the recording of this video. And also, I want you to understand how to actually, track your leads and conversion rates. Because if you don't know how to track your leads and conversions, then you're just throwing money down the drain. You're buying traffic and you don't know how to track anything. So that's what I help you with, right? And then I want to help you to build a list of people that are highly engaged, that really want what you have to offer. Because when you have the list, the next thing is, now what? You have to actually build rapport with your list and be able to build a relationship. So here's how my traffic works. So basically, you just get your package right here. I have packages as low as 50 cents a click. The more traffic you get, the cheaper it is. Then I can do a campaign review with you after you get your traffic to help you get as high as an 85% opt-in rate, or maybe even a 90% opt-in rate if you are able to reach my highest that I've got so far, which is 90%. And then the traffic will start within 3 days or less of you getting a package from me. Here's some of the testimonials you could look over for yourself. I have opt-in rates, 79%, 90%. Here's my 90% right there, 79%. They're opt-in rates that are very high with sales, right? So it's very important that you get from somebody who knows how to market online. Here's my packages right here. So here's 90%, here's 100%. 100% is always the highest quality traffic that you'll get. It's 100% tier 1. Here's some of the people in the companies that I've ran traffic for. So that's that. And then here's some of the questions that people have. People ask a lot of questions. A lot of them are probably answered in here. So if you have a question, come down here and look at this before you actually get traffic from me. If you have questions, chances are your questions are right in there. Now, I cannot offer you refunds, but my promise to you is I guarantee you 100% real traffic, and I guarantee you that I will make you 100% satisfied with your order. So if you're having any issues with your traffic, just let me know. Reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, or you could send me a message right here, and I'll get back to you, or somebody in my team will get back to you as soon as possible. Very, very quickly we try to respond to messages. So yeah, all you got to do is reach out to me. If you're having an issue with your traffic, I will look into it, and if it's an issue on my end, I will definitely compensate you in traffic to make sure you're 100% happy with your order. I want long-term customers. I want people who come back to me. I want people who love me for helping them. I want people who rave and rant about my services. So I'm going to give you the best quality that I could possibly give you, right? My goal is to get you into profit, right? I'm a marketer before I sell any traffic. I started to sell traffic because I seen a gap in the space of people who were just, sending crap to people, right? And that's honestly what happens is you get a lot of people that will just send you crap, and then you'll blow through a lot of money. You won't know what you're doing. So my goal is to help you to understand how to do this the right way. So when you order from me, make sure you book a call with me, so that way I can help you to get those results. And make sure you click on the link below this video to get to the traffic store. I also have other links that will take you to my private Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and training. You'll also want to get into that Facebook group. It's a free group. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.